Is it?
Oh, there's a bee right there.
Ah, is there? Levi, hey Levi. What happened to you yesterday with a bee?
I got a bee sticking on my butt.
I am so sorry.
But there's a birdie up there. It's a woodpecker.
A woodpecker? How fun. All right, so where are we going right now?
Costco!
All right, let's do it, man.
Yeah, I love that.
So, Levi, you said you wanted to try to walk
Yeah.
instead of ride in the cart like a big man?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see how long it lasts, okay? If you're crazy, then I'll have to put you in the cart. But if you can walk respectfully, you can walk, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's do it. Air fryer. Ooh, I like these baking sheets from Nordic Wear. Those are copper. Oh, these Pendleton blankets are so nice. My sister got one while she was here, and they were nice. They only had twin when we were here before, but now they have queen. Ooh, I might have to get one. They're only $32.99. They're so pretty. I've been needing more of these. I think I'm gonna grab this. She doesn't need a drink cooler set, I don't think.
Can we get a drink cooler set?
Oh, they have so many cool Pendleton things now. These are so pretty.
Oh,
Not that I need one of these, but they're cute.
everybody got these.
Oh yeah, we got these cups. They're great.
I got this
Each
one.
of the kids got their own color, each of the
got
4
this-
little kids.
I got
Autumn
this
actually
one.
already had one that was just the same, but a different color, so it worked out great. So
But
each of the kids
I got
have
this
their
one.
own color.
Yeah.
And which color is yours, Levi?
This one.
Orange, yep.
And this is Charity's.
That's right.
And this is Renee's.
Yes.
This is Tiger's.
That's right.
What is that?
Some little trays. Oh, I like those little ramekins. Those are cute. I have white and colored ones. That's pretty too. Yeah, look at that.
Oh.
I like that a lot.
That's
For
a
parties.
sweet treat, Mom.
Is that a sweet treat?
Yeah.
That looks like fruit.
That is fruit.
Yeah. Oh, these are so cute too.
Look at that, Mom.
Look at what?
This. That's a big cat.
Mm-hmm.
I want to get a little cat.
Those are cool, aren't they?
Yeah, I want to get a little.
I know.
I'm going to get a motorcycle. Because I don't have these.
You don't have those, but we're not going to buy them this time, but they sure are fun to look at.
Oh, that's a good one.
Those are amazing.
I want to get that.
I know you do.
That's a good one.
Is that a good one? Hot Wheels City?
Oh, I want to do that.
You want everything you see, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This strawberry away over there, Mom. Strawberry. You see the strawberry?
What are those?
Mushrooms.
Do you like mushrooms?
Right. Mom, the strawberries are over there.
No, we're getting frozen ones this time. Remember?
They're
Those ones aren't frozen.
cold.
Yeah, just cold.
Can you get a small backpack and carry it?
Whoa!
Whoa!
Can you carry this? See if you can. Wow! My goodness, you're strong. What in the world?
Yes, hot dog!
Yeah, so we can roast them on the fire. I just got one. That was all I needed.
Oh.
Oh, those are so pretty. Aren't those nice?
Yeah.
That'd be nice to hang on our door, huh?
Want to get that?
No, I'm not going to get it this time, but it sure is pretty. Ooh, and look at all the Halloween costumes. You don't want it? Okay, fine. We'll just talk about it.
That one.
Got one?
I like it.
Oh, I'm so glad. Salami, that's a good one. Ooh, a firefighter. That's a great one.
I'm going to get a Halloween
Yeah, we're not going to get it right now, but it's fun to look at.
one. A Spider-Man one.
Spider-Man. Oh, more Legos. Milk for the kids and for the other kids. The little baby goats that are still drinking milk. We've converted them to cow milk, so we've been going through a lot of milk in the house these days. But only another week or two that they'll have to be bottle fed. Oh, that's eggnog. We don't need that. It has eggs in it.
Oh,
You don't want that, man.
eggs right here.
Eggs are there. All right, cottage cheese, and we'll get a couple butters.
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 Butter on butter.
Always gotta get toilet paper. Can you stop using so much toilet paper, Levi?
Huh?
Can you stop using so much toilet paper?
No.
No? Come on, man. Work with me here.
I won't stop using soap. Oh, Mom.
Yes.
Water.
Water up there?
Yeah.
Okay.
More water.
I'm gonna get some parchment paper because we use that all the time. Oh, I need to look at these bags because mine, the zipper broke. Mine that's similar to this, and I needed another one. Oh, $8.99. Is that a good deal? Oh, and it has a zipper. I am gonna go ahead and do the blue one. $8.99 is a pretty good price for that kind of thing. And if I love it, I might grab another one next time I'm here.
Crash it?
Crash the cart?
Yeah.
You better not.
I was going to crash.
No. Oof.
Do you have no legs?
No.
Can I ask them if you have no legs? Look at this.
Oh yeah, yogurt?
Yeah, you want to get
No, we have yogurt at home. Guess we'll grab one of those and then grab one of the cheese sticks. Did you see a garbage to put your wrapper in? Okay.
Garbage over there.
All right, let's do it, man.
Yeah. Yes, I did it.
Nice job. You made a basket.
I want to get something fun.
I love it when there's a new flavor of Waterloo. I've never tried spiced apple. I already know I love grape. Probably my favorite flavor. Just a second. Cranberry I remember to be good. But they have this, and then they also have the summer ones too. I'm so excited.
Yes.
Nope, don't need that.
It's a 2-pack.
Come on.
It's a 2-pack.
A 2-pack, huh?
Yeah, you got 2-pack.
Yeah. Ooh.
What are these? What are these, Mom?
Tuna.
What are these?
You want some tuna?
What's tuna?
It's a type of fish.
Oh, I want to get a tuna.
You want a tuna? A
Yeah.
whole tuna?
A whole tuna.
A whole tuna.
Oh, pepperoni.
We have pepperoni at home.
Yes, I love pepperoni.
I think we did it, Levi. You ready to check out?
Yeah.
Was that a good sample?
Uh-huh.
All right, let's do it, man. Let's do it.
$16.99. $1.89.
You what?
$1.89.
You want to scan your jacket? Sure.
$9.29.
Got it?
You got it? Okay, the tag is right here.
Yeah.
Can you do it? Put it up there. Good work. Now we got to set it here.
Credit $3.
$13.
Credit.
We'll do a back of the car grocery haul here. This is all the non-food items. Levi got a jacket. You got a jacket.
Yeah.
And he wanted the tags taken off so he could go ahead and wear it. So we'll do that in a second. I got, yeah, and the sticker. I got some new Pyrex glass measuring cups in different sizes. I got this for my bed. Thought it was so pretty. Only $27.99. So it was cheaper than I saw on the tag. Pack of parchment paper, pack of toilet paper, and then the cold bag that I already filled up with cold stuff. That is all of the non-food items. I couldn't finish my back of the car grocery haul at Costco because someone came and was waiting for my parking spot. So it didn't feel right to stand there and do a video while they were waiting for me. So I am at home now. And let's go over all of the food items. I already showed you the non-food items. So stocked up on Waterloo, got 3 of the new packs. I decided I liked the look of the flavors on this one more than the flavors of the summery version or the summery pack. So I got 3 of those. Got some potatoes for the kids to make their French fries in the air fryer. I needed some more mayo, and yes, it's very easy to make your own avocado oil mayo, but sometimes this is just convenient, and I love that they have it at Costco for a decent price. Got some carrots, got a couple packs of bananas, some mushrooms, Some organic coffee. I love this one, the Rainforest from San Francisco Bay. Very good. Got some tomato sauce. 1 pack of Polish sausages. Got a pack of our favorite Amy Lou chicken breakfast sausages. These are really good. Couple different boxes of kombucha for my husband. One of the ginger lemonade, and then this Brew Doctor one was on sale, so I grabbed that. It's got a few different kinds. Then a whole bunch of milk for the kids and the kids. And then in my cold bag here, let's see if I can show you what I got. We're having a family get together this weekend when my brother, sister-in-law, and niece are in town from Texas. We're so excited, but we're gonna have some whipped cream with the desserts. I got 2 packs of the grass-fed butter. I love this butter. I think it's pretty equivalent to Kerrygold. It's very, very good. Grabbed a pack of the Baby Bell cheese for the kids to snack on, as well as the string cheese. And then down here we just have a big thing of cottage cheese, frozen mango chunks, and frozen strawberries. Talia has been making lots of smoothies for herself recently, so she requested some frozen fruit. So that is the grocery haul for Freddie. Is that Freddie? Yeah, hi Freddie. Did you come to check out the grocery haul? Hi. Hi, Freddie. Oh, you want to come in, huh? Anyways, that is the grocery haul for September for us. The total that I spent was, if it'll focus, $350.29. So that's been about average for us at Costco recently, because I did do a lot of stocking up on like dry goods, things that keep. So I do have a big stock of that kind of thing at home. It was more of the perishable stuff that I needed to stock up on, so $350 is pretty normal for that. Excuse me, Freddie. Excuse me, Freddie. What do you think is in there for you? What do you think I got for you? Oh, Freddie. Oh, hi. Yes, hi. Oh. Thanks so much for going shopping with us today. Can you say bye? Hope you guys are doing great, and we'll see you in the next video. Freddie, say bye. Oh, bye. Oh, bye. Bye.